All right, Harbor Freight just released a new set of deals for ITC members. It's going to be the 7 day of super deals that's starting today, February 20th through February 26th. So you do have all week to get these deals, and you do have to be an Inside Track Club member, which is $30 a year if you go to buy it online or in the store. But they do offer a 2 year plan in store only for $45. It's obviously a better deal to go with that 2 year membership. That way you can get these savings as well as other deals throughout the year and early access to parking lot sales. Okay, so the first deal is going to be on the Icon anti-slip grip professional SAE and metric wrench set. So 14 pieces. This one here is the metric that does range from 6mm up to 19mm, and they do have the anti-slip grip to them, which are basically like little notches in the wrenches themselves to help create a good grip on nuts and bolts. So it does come with a plastic organizer, so you put it right in your toolbox and it'll be nicely organized. So the deal on them, they're normally priced at $130, and you'll be able to save 50% on them, making it $65 each. And there's no limits, but it is while supplies last. I do imagine that these are going to be sold quickly in the stores. And in fact, at my store here, they only had one set of each left. So definitely better hurry to try to get them. If they don't have them in stock at your store, maybe check again throughout the week, as they could get a shipment of them back in. And here is the SAE set. So 14 pieces. It does say no skipping size, and it does range from a 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 inch. And they have that nice grippy bite looking design into the wrench. Now these do actually remind me of the Milwaukee wrenches that are the Max Bite wrenches that they had on sale at Home Depot. And I think at Roll King too this last holiday season. But I think it was 11-piece set, and I'll be sure to try to find a picture of them as a comparison, but they do look awfully similar to the Milwaukee, and the Milwaukee was 11-piece set, and the deal was during that time of the holiday time was $50 for the Milwaukee set, and those are normally priced at $130 as well. So those were a good deal at the time, but obviously Icon does have an extra 3 wrenches in this set. All right, the next deal is going to be on the Vulcan TIG stick welder. It's the Pro TIG 205. It does have dual voltage of 120 or 240 volt, and it does come equipped with a 4.3-inch digital display, which is under this sign right here. So the deal price is obviously $900, and that is saving $300 on that. It's normally priced at $1,200, which that's saving 25%. Now it's not as good of a savings as it was during the last month's parking lot sale, where you could have saved 30% on it, but 25% is still a decent amount. All right, the next deal's on the Bauer step drill bits set. It's number 4 and number 5. So it has 12 hole sizes. That does range from 3/16 up to 7/8. Does come with a 3/8 shaft. They are not impact rated, so it would be for use in a drill only. And it's good for cutting into metal, plastic, and wood. And that it's made of black oxide. The normal retail price is $30. But during this week, you can get it for $10, which is 66% off. That's an awesome deal on these. All right, the next deal is on the Icon Professional Torque Wrench. It's the 1/2 inch drive, and it does range from 50 to 250 foot-pounds of torque range. This is what it does look like, and it is a 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism to it. The normal price on it is $150, but during this week, you could save $50 on that, making it $100, which is basically 33% off. That's a pretty good deal on it. I think the best deals we've seen on torque wrenches were 40% off last year during the torque wrench deal that they were offering during a parking lot sale, I believe it was. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate you hit the like button and consider subscribing for more deal videos. And I do appreciate that support. Let's move on to the next deal. All right, the next deal is on the Badland Apex. It's a 5,500-pound winch. It's the long drum one for UTV with a synthetic rope. So it does come with the 50-foot synthetic rope as a 10-foot wired remote, and the line speed is 18.7 feet per minute, and it's rated at IP68 and IP69K rated. It does come equipped with a premium hook as well. It is normally priced at the $270, but you can save $80 on it, making it $190. I think this might be one of the cheapest deals on this winch. So it's an excellent deal at $190. Now they don't have this winch on display in the store, but this is what the box looks like. And it does look pretty nice. So if you happen to have a UTV or some kind of off-road vehicle like that, might be a good winch to pick up. Definitely the Apex series are the more premium of the winches that they offer, and $190 price is an excellent deal. And the next awesome deal is on the Chief 6-piece air hammer chisel set. So the 6 different pieces offer the undercoat scraper, tailpipe cutter, a flat chisel, a tapered punch, a double edge cutter, and a hammer. So it looks like a pretty decent all-around kit for your air chisel. They do have that normally priced at $60, but during this sale you can save 53% on that, making it 30 bucks. That's an awesome deal for this set. And here's what the back of the package looks like. And these are, just so you know, they are made in Taiwan. They are not US made, which I do want to give a shout out to the YouTube channel Tools and Twisties. He makes great videos on different tools and automotive tools. And I definitely recommend you check out his channel if you're not aware of his channel already. I will put a link down in the description below because he does great content where he does compare different tools from Icon and Quinn and other tools from Harbor Freight, as well as other tools that he has in his collection. And he definitely has a great wealth of knowledge of the different automotive kind of tools. So shout out to Tools and Twisties. I appreciate your channel, and I think you guys will enjoy his channel if you don't know him already, which I know his last video he just uploaded about this sale, he did have the question if these Chief air chisel set was made in America or Taiwan. And so I wanted to point out that they were made in Taiwan, just so he knows, because I think another brand might make them that were in the US. And the next deal's on the spectrum. Gravity feed spray guns. So they have two different options to choose from. One is the HTE and the other one is the HVLP. And they are each normally priced at 120 bucks, but during this sale you can be able to pick them up for 80 bucks, which is saving $40 on it. It's an excellent deal on these spray guns. This is what it looks like with the spray bottle mounted to the top of the gun. They are nickel plated body. They each offer the precision adjustment control knobs as well. These look like pretty decent spray guns. And it does mention that the HTE one is ideal for clear coat. It does have a 1.3 millimeter tip size, whereas the HVLP one offers a 1.7 millimeter tip size. And the next awesome deal is on the Haulmaster 700-pound capacity ratchet tie-down straps. It is a 2-pack of them. They're rated at a 700-pound working load, and they're 1.25 inches by 16 feet long. And they offer the rubber grips and vinyl covered hooks, and they are weather resistant as well. The sale price is $8, which is saving 52% off of the $17 price it normally has. It's an awesome deal on these. And again, there's no limit on how many you can get. And they do have another torque wrench deal on an Icon 3/4 inch drive, which is a 48 tooth ratcheting mechanism. And it does range from 100 to 600 foot-pounds of torque. So it has quite a wide range there for this torque wrench. It is priced at 300 bucks now, which is saving 100 off the $400 price tag it normally has. So that is 25% of savings that you can get on this torque wrench. And the last deal they are offering for the 7-day of Super Deals is going to be on this Icon S-Jaw Quick Adjust pliers that are the 12-inch ones. Here's the back of the package. They say it's ideal for wheel alignment, tie rods, and use in confined spaces. Has S-shaped jaws that easily grip hex, round, square, and other irregular shaped surfaces. Does have angled teeth for optimal grip and molded grips for added comfort. And you see how aggressive the teeth are in these pliers. They're normally priced at 20 bucks, but during the sale you can pick them up for only $13, which is saving 35%. So it's going to be better than the 30% off deals that we normally see, and these are normally priced under the $20 mark that you're able to save the 30% on when they had those deals. But definitely better to save the 35% now. All right, that's going to be it for this deal video for the 7 days of Super Deals for ITC members. Let me know down in the comments below what you plan on picking up. If you gained value from this video, I would appreciate it that you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.